The arch political rivals of Jammu Kashmir politics seem to be renewing their age-old rivalry as election campaigning heats up in the UT of Jammu and Kashmir after Umar Abdullah fired the Beti salvo at PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti, saying that while he was always blamed and targeted for being a dynast, now the same people have fielded their sons and daughters in the election fray. Today, Mehbooba Mufti hit back, saying that it was during Umar Abdullah's rule that Jammu and Kashmir went through everything that could be categorized as bad, starting from the fact that Umar Abdullah brought in Pota. He also basically banned Shatush at the same time, saying that people can compare her rule and Umar Abdullah's rule when it comes to justice for rape victims, bringing in the example of Shopian rape and murder case, at the same time saying that wheels of justice moved very fast when she was the chief minister and ensured conviction of the Kathua rape and murder accused. So gloves are off, and as the campaigning heats up, the old political rivals seem to be at it again. NC and PDP now clearly are focusing on each other, targeting each other, though initially, even through the Lok Sabha elections, there was a tacit silence wherein they had decided to not target each other and target the BJP, considering it the bigger political goal. But now, since it's more localized politics, and as the PDP has started to bring out the list of candidates, it seems the National Conference now thinks that PDP is not a completely spent force and it could be a bigger opponent in the incoming or the upcoming elections. So PDP has to be targeted, and Mehbooba Mufti also really hitting back at National Conference and Umar Abdullah. Camera person Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Srinagar for India Today.